Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to explain template literals in JavaScript, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Well, we are on template literals. This is a new feature as of ES6. It's another way of formatting output that can contain placeholders for formatting and inserting strings, values, variables, etc. We use a combination of backticks and placeholders. A placeholder is a $sign followed by a set of curly braces. Within the set of curly braces, we can insert a value or variable. A few of the benefits of template literals is that our output can use multiple lines. And not only that, but we can embed expressions within a placeholder. Here's an example of some sample output without and then with a template literal. Let's say we would like to display a message, hello first name, last name, and then an exclamation point. So without a template literal, we would write something like this. Let first name equal some first name, and then we will create a variable for last name. Let last name equal some last name. Now to display a message, we would say console.log hello space plus first name plus space plus last name. Whoops. Then plus exclamation point. So this does in fact work, but it's a lot of work to actually write all this and concatenate all of these strings together. So a way to simplify this is that we can use a template literal. We will still continue to use a console.log statement, but within it, we're going to use a set of backticks. These right here. It's easy to confuse these with single quotes, so pay attention to that. So within a set of backticks, we can write a string, like hello, space, then to insert a value, variable, or whatever, we need to use a placeholder, $sign, then curly braces, and list the value or variable within the set of curly braces. If I need to display my first name within the placeholder, I will just say first name, space, I need another placeholder for last name, then I will add an exclamation point. So this will do the same thing, however it's a lot easier to work with because we're using these placeholders. Now the nice thing about this too is that this can take up multiple lines. So if I need the last name to display on the second line, I can just hit enter. So there's no need to use a new line character, so it's a lot easier to read and work with. Another benefit of using a template literal is that we can embed an expression within a placeholder. This time, let's say that the user is on some sort of shopping website, and they're going to make a purchase, but we need to display a total price including tax. So let's create a few more variables. Let price equal some price. How about $10 for something? And a tax rate. Let tax rate equal, how about 5%, 0.05. And we will need a total. I'm going to declare it but not yet assign it. Let's let the user know what the price is, the tax rate, the amount of tax that they're paying, and the total. So let's use a template literal for that. Console.log. Let's display the original price first. So we need backticks. The price is :space, then our placeholder, then our price variable. The price is 10. I think I'm going to add an additional $sign. The price is $10. Now let's display the tax rate. So we need our backticks again. Then within here, let's display tax rate, placeholder, tax rate. Tax rate 0.05. Now let's display the price of the tax. So tax is placeholder, then price times tax rate. I'll probably add another $sign too. Okay, now let's calculate the total. Console.log backticks total is :space placeholder total equals price plus, then within parentheses, price times tax rate. Total is $10.50. So as you can see, we can embed entire expressions within a template literal, so that's a benefit too. So everybody, in conclusion, a template literal is another way of formatting output that can contain placeholders for formatting and inserting strings, values, variables, whatever. You use a pair of backticks, and then you can insert a placeholder that contains a value, variable, whatever you need to display. And the benefits of using a template literal is that your output can take up multiple lines, and you can embed expressions within a placeholder. So that is a template literal. If you would like a copy of this code, I will post this to the comment section down below. And well, yeah, those are template literals in JavaScript.